Welcome to Freshwater Generator Part 11, Marine Engineering MCQ. This video is brought to you by Assistant Professor Manivannan S. Question 1. The membrane in reverse osmosis allows passage of A. Salt only, B. Water only, C. Oil only, D. Air only. The correct answer is B. Water only. The reverse osmosis membrane is designed to selectively allow water molecules to pass, while rejecting most salts and other contaminants. Question 2. What is a common cause of loss of vacuum in a freshwater generator? A. High steam pressure. B. Failure of ejector pump. C. Increase in temperature. D. High salinity of feed water. The correct answer is B. Failure of ejector pump. The ejector pump maintains the necessary vacuum for the freshwater generator to operate efficiently. Question 3. Which of the following can lead to loss of vacuum due to air entry? A. High condenser temperature. B. Air leakage at joints. C. Low salinity. D. High pressure. The correct answer is B. Air leakage at joints. Leaks in the system allow external air to enter, compromising the vacuum necessary for low temperature evaporation. Question 4. What is the purpose of silver ion treatment in water? A. Increase salinity. B. Improve taste. C. Disinfect water. D. Increase pressure. The correct answer is C. Disinfect water. Silver ion treatment is used to sterilize the produced fresh water, making it safe for consumption. Question 5. What is checked in a salinity alarm? A. Pressure. B. Temperature. C. Salt content. D. Flow rate. The correct answer is C. Salt content. The salinity alarm monitors the salt concentration in the fresh water to ensure it meets quality standards. Question 6. Which of the following causes low production rate? A. Clean tubes. B. Proper vacuum. C. Scale formation. D. Correct assembly. The correct answer is C. Scale formation. Scaling on heat exchanger tubes reduces heat transfer efficiency, leading to a lower freshwater production rate. Question 7. Which type is not a freshwater generator? FWG. A. Low pressure evaporator. B. Flash evaporator. C. Reverse osmosis. D. Centrifugal separator. The correct answer is D. Centrifugal separator. Low pressure evaporators, flash evaporators, and reverse osmosis units are all types of freshwater generators. A centrifugal separator is used for purification, not distillation. Question 8. High salinity in the freshwater generator can be caused by A. Proper demister working. B. Low evaporation rate. C. Carryover of seawater. D. Low brine level. The correct answer is C. Carryover of seawater. If seawater is carried over with the vapor, it directly increases the salt content in the produced fresh water. Question 9. Ideal shell temperature in the freshwater generator is around A. 20 degrees Celsius, B. 50 degrees Celsius, C. 100 degrees Celsius, D. 150 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is B. 50 degrees Celsius. Freshwater generators operate under vacuum to allow evaporation at a low shell temperature, typically around 50 degrees Celsius. Question 10. Vacuum in the freshwater generator should be A. Below 50%, B. Around 70%, C. Above 90%, D. 0. The correct answer is C. Above 90%. A high vacuum is crucial in an FWG to facilitate evaporation at lower temperatures, typically exceeding 90%. Question 11. What happens if the brine level is too high? A. Increased efficiency. B. Reduced production. C. No effect. D. Increased vacuum. The correct answer is B. Reduced production. A high brine level reduces the surface area available for evaporation, leading to decreased freshwater production. Question 12. Which pump sends fresh water to the storage tank? A. Ejector pump. B. Feed pump. C. Distillate pump. D. Bilge pump. The correct answer is C. Distillate pump. The distillate pump is responsible for moving the produced fresh water, or distillate, from the generator to the storage tanks. Question 13. What happens if the distillate pump runs dry? A. Improves efficiency. B. Causes damage. C. No effect. D. Increases pressure. The correct answer is B. Causes damage. Distillate pumps, like many pumps, rely on the fluid for lubrication and cooling, so running dry can lead to overheating and damage. Question 14. Which safety device releases vacuum during shutdown? A. Relief valve. B. Vacuum breaker. C. Thermostat. D. Pressure gauge. The correct answer is B. Vacuum breaker. The vacuum breaker is essential to introduce air into the system during shutdown, preventing damage from excessive external pressure. Question 15. FWG capacity depends on A. Fuel consumption, B. Jacket cooling water flow, C. Ship speed, D. Engine oil. The correct answer is B. Jacket cooling water flow. The freshwater generator uses heat from the main engine's jacket cooling water, so its flow rate significantly impacts FWG capacity. Question 16. Too high evaporation temperature causes A. Better efficiency, B. Scale formation, C. Low salinity, D. No effect. The correct answer is B. Scale formation. High temperatures accelerate the precipitation of dissolved minerals, leading to scale buildup on the heating surfaces. Question 17. Too low evaporation temperature results in A. Scale formation, B. Carryover of seawater, C. High vacuum, D. Better production. The correct answer is B. Carryover of seawater. Low evaporation temperatures can lead to poor vapor quality and increased risk of seawater droplets entering the distillate. Question 18. How is evaporation achieved at a lower temperature in a freshwater generator? A. Increasing pressure, B. Decreasing pressure, creating vacuum, C. Heating strongly, D. Adding chemicals. The correct answer is B. Decreasing pressure or creating a vacuum. Lowering the pressure reduces the boiling point of water, allowing evaporation at low temperatures. Question 19. What are the two main compartments of a freshwater generator? A. Pump and tank, B. Heater and cooler, C. Condenser and evaporator, D. Filter and separator. The correct answer is C. Condenser and evaporator. These are the two primary heat exchangers where evaporation and subsequent condensation occur. Question 20. Which component helps in generating vacuum? A. Condenser, B. Evaporator, C. Adductor, D. Tank. The correct answer is C. Adductor. The adductor, or ejector, uses a high-velocity fluid stream to remove non-condensable gases and maintain the necessary vacuum in the FWG. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found these questions helpful for your marine engineering studies. Thank you.